The DMEX D1S Xenon HID. Headlight bulbs are a striking upgrade for vehicle lighting, boasting an impressive brightness level of 3800 lumens. These bulbs deliver a stunning 8000K white-blue light, offering a stylish and modern look while enhancing visibility on the road. With a power rating of 35W and a voltage of 85 volts, they provide a strong and efficient source of light for nighttime and poor weather driving. Designed specifically as an OEM replacement, the DMEX D1S bulbs are engineered to fit stock D2S HID setup seamlessly. It's important to note that they are not compatible with stock halogen or LED headlamps, ensuring that users focus on optimal compatibility for their vehicles. The installation process is straightforward thanks to the plug-and-play feature, making it accessible even for those who may not be particularly mechanically inclined. One of the standout features of these bulbs is their longevity. With an operating life of 3,000 hours,